a child alone and wild, a cabinet maker's son. His hands were meant for different work, and his heart was known to none. He left his home and went his wild and solitary way, and he gave to me a gift I know I never can repay. A quiet man of music, denied a simpler fate. It's hard to be a soldier once, but his music wouldn't wait. He heard his love through discipline, a thunder velvet hand. His gentle means of sculpting souls took me years to understand. The leader of the band is sad and his eyes are going on, but his blood runs through my instrument and his song is in my soul. My life has been a poor attempt to imitate the man. I'm just a living legacy to the leader of the band. My brother's lives were different, for they heard another call. One went to Chicago and the other to St. Paul. And I'm in Colorado when I'm not in some hotel, living out this life I've chose and come to know so well. I thank you for the music and your stories of the road. I thank you for the freedom when it came my time to go. I thank you for the kindness and the times when you got tough. And Papa, I don't think I said I love you near enough. The leader of the band is sad and his eyes are going on, but his blood runs through my instrument and his song is in my soul.